Hi, thanks for coming back to my channel. For this video, I have a classic Timex men's watch. This is a very popular design and style. The model number on this one is T2H281. It's got a 36 millimeter dial. And as you see, this is actually fine for a man or a woman. It's very easy to read. This time of night, my eyes get so dry. I like these big, nice, easy to read numbers. It's very plain, the black on the white, just so easy to see. And I have sold hundreds, if not thousands, of this watch. So let's talk about the features of this watch. It has a leather band, and these bands do show some stress cracking a lot. That's the biggest problem with the leather bands and the Timex watches that have the leather bands. It says genuine leather upper, so maybe the lower is not, and that's why you have that problem. But regardless, still got a good quality watch. Probably will last you for a very long time, longer than you would even probably want to wear it. One thing it has is this Indiglow. I love the Indiglow at night because my watch now does not have it. This Casio that I'm wearing, that is one of my biggest complaints about this watch, because in the middle of the night you want to know whenever you wake up, what time is it? And me personally, I don't like to have an alarm clock or anything in the room because I don't like that light. So this Indiglow is really nice for that. It also has this quick date. And the way you change that is you just pull it out to the first position. Pull the crown out to the first position. I didn't feel it. There it goes. And it will go both ways. It is a very easy to set date. So here today, it's the 25th. Now, how do you know if this is AM or PM? And it changes somewhere between like 10 and 4 starts to change. And one problem that some of these Timex watches have is you can set the date, but then it doesn't change automatically. So a lot of times I'll do just a 24-hour rotation just to make sure, and there it goes. Changing, there it goes. So it started about the 11 and finished by the 2. But one of the problems that the Timex watches, I've noticed a lot of them have, is it will not change on the 24-hour. So if that's the case, I will list it as a defective date, but it will change whenever you pull it out to the first position. So there you go. Timex classic watch. You probably know someone or you have one of these yourself. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Timex watches. These are probably the most well-known watch brand. Everyone's heard of them. Everyone's seen one in real life. Let me know what you think and check out my auctions on eBay. I'm going to start this guy at 99 cents. Thanks. Have a good night.